Hi, you're Scotland here and we are in Dumbarton and we're going to visit Dumbarton Rock, Dumbarton Castle. So let's go and enjoy the video. Before we got to the castle, we stopped off here because this is Dumbarton Football Club and they are ready today, so we have to put the wee cover in the mic. But they are a Scottish football team that plays right in the shadow of Dumbarton Rock. There we go. So here we are at Dumbarton Castle and it's open all year round, it says, but it's locked. So there's the big rock, Dumbarton Rock. What's wrong with the castle? Let's go find it. The sun's coming out. It looked like a one day, wet day before, but the sun's out now. Do you know if Dumbarton Castle's open?
Oh, I don't, sorry.
No. Right. It says it's open all year round.
Oh, I don't know.
Right, never mind. Let's go down here. It's like a public right away here. People will be walking their dogs. So we might just be getting an outside view of the castle. Unless there's another gate. All the way in. Oh, the Clyde looks a bit choppy today. Forever Clyde coming up to the estuary. Coming up to the estuary actually. So the Clyde Sea Lochs Trail. So a bit of information on there. Atlantic salmon in there too. It's a very impressive castle. See up in the distance you'll see Port Glasgow and Clyde. Over there I think it's called Langton. And there's a wee dash up. He saw his dog. Don't like this wind much. They seem to keep the grass very clear here, very whatever, very short and well kept. Well, it doesn't look like the castle is open. It looks like there's only one way in. So let's go and have a wee look round Dumbarton. There we go, hopefully view of the Clyde. Here on it, we'll just end up going in the Clyde again. Dumbarton is like the gateway to Loch Lomond. Not really explored Dumbarton, really that much. But whenever we look around the town, so see this guy up here and see what this is. I've only checked whether this is going to be open today at all. Right, Hen, do you work here? Do you work here?
Yeah.
Is it going to be open at all to the public?
I'm here to open it.
Are you?
But the top is likely going to be shut today because of the
Aye.
winds.
Alright then, that's brilliant. Is there a entry fee?
Yes, there is.
There is?
But
Oh,
we're
that's
not
fine.
open until 9:30.
9:30. Alright, I'll come back.
That's alright.
Maybe. I'll get time. Alright, what time's it now?
It's about 1:15.
Oh, I'll wait. Right, thanks. Well, I'll wait until the castle opens. We're actually going to get into the castle. Well, it says it's opening at 9:30, the wee lassie said it. So I'm going to hang about for about 15 minutes. And I'm going to go in and have a wee look at it. And then when I come out of there, I'll have a look round Dumbarton town itself. Some interesting buildings I saw on the way in. So just hold your horses, we'll be there very soon. So, just looking at the notice there, its prices are quite reasonable, and I didn't know this though. I should have known it. It's an imposing royal stronghold towering over the Clyde, where Mary.Queen of Scots set sail for France. That's amazing. So going to be following the footsteps of Mary.Queen of Scots. There's that cannon up there. Fast and original. Will be. It definitely could be. There you go. How high that rock is. Well, it's gone 9:30 and they're still not open, so she doesn't seem to be in a rush to open this. So I'm still on the outside looking in, but I want to be on the inside looking in again further. So let's give it a few more minutes to see what happens. Well, we were waiting on her. There's some wee sort of holes there, must be for firing arrows through. Some. What do we do into there? Yeah. And they're doing some pointing in here. So they've got the scaffolding up for that. Ah, here she comes. Not too late. So we're actually in Dumbarton Castle, going through the main door. The top is not open today because of the wind. So it is a free entry today. Oh, here we go. In memory of Lieutenant Colonel James Clark CB, officers, non-commissioned officers and men of the 9th Battalion, the Dumbartonshire, Argyll and Southern Highlanders. I think that's a Black Watch, isn't it? Princess Louise's, 1914, the Great War, to 1919. Oh, look at these rickety staircases. This rickety staircase here. So there you go. And there is another bit that I couldn't really get from the outside. And that's the cannons I was looking at earlier. There we go. I don't think these are original. They could be though. They could be original. And there's the beautiful view you get. And Mary.Queen of Scots would have set sail from that very river to go to France. She would have seen the same sort of view, apart from the houses, because I don't think they would have been here then. But she would have had that, and hopefully it was a nice day sailing for her, and not as choppy as it is now. So let's go in. There's another cannon over there. Oh. Right, so that's the way I come in. Oh, that's the King George Battery. Hope it's charged. Another cannon over there. That's the Governor's house. Something special, this, isn't it? So in order to get to this, they would have had to climb that big hill, that big rock, and that would have been almost impossible. Unless you were Sir Edmund Hillary. So let's go and have a look.
Hiya.
Alright.
Yeah. So.
Very impressive, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. So I can show you what you can
What's the gift shop?
right now.
Aye.
So we're obviously down here. This is the Governor's house, number one. Unfortunately, I've had to shut from this point upwards today just because of the wind speeds.
Some climb though, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. My colleague is coming in later to check them out, but I obviously can't leave the shop to
Aye, I know,
check them, so
understand
we're sort of stuck between a rock and a hard place at the moment.
Aye, literally.
Literally. But what you can access at the moment is this pathway here that goes up round
Right.
the side of the rock. So up to that very far left, number 6. It's still a lovely
6.
walk, really good feel for the
Oh,
site.
that'll do me good.
So, yeah.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much.
No problem at all.
Thank
So
you
it's
very
just end
much.
of the hall, left out the back door. Toilets out the back door before you head out. Any other questions, you know where we are.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
There we go. What's your name?
Caris.
Caris. Right,
Yes.
Caris. Very friendly and very informative.
There you go.
And do you actually do Dumbarton Rock in here?
No, unfortunately not. We've got some in rock. I think it's Edinburgh rock actually.
It was Dumbarton Rock. I was looking, we were going to put it on, this is Dumbarton Rock, you know, like you get at Blackpool.
Yeah.
But no.
We really should, to be
I
honest.
should.
But
So how do you get up to that? But if you
just end of the hall, left and out the back door.
down
Yep.
and room.
Yep.
Thank you very much, Caris. See you later. See you later. I love the wee lassie there. This is the way to the castle. When you're down here. Oh, the lavvy. I'm going to switch off now because I need to go. Right, said lavvy has been visited. Let's continue. So as I've said, the top part is shut at the moment, but there's a nice wee walkway, so we can walk up these stairs and have a walk right up along the battalions. Or the battlements, sorry, not the battalions. There'll be no battalions here today. The battlements. And that's the way where you go up to the guardhouse and everything. And that'll be the walk up the rock to the very top, which I will do at a later date. So around the rock, French prison, one of the few structures still surviving high in the rock. This building once held French prisoners captured during the Napoleonic Wars. Oh God. So, they never actually caught Napoleon. But if they did, I don't think they would have ended up in there somehow. It's turning out to be a lovely day. So, I might even get the phone out and do some of this on the phone. We'll have a look up here before we do anything. I think these must be the original stairs, maybe. I would think so. They look old. And I don't really know how old this castle is, but I will find out. There's an interesting wee place here. I wonder what that holes for that window kind of thing. That's a spur battery. Oh. I don't know what this would have been in here. Would have been a cannon or something. Poking its nose out in case somebody's up in the rock. We don't know. So let's go and have a look. You've got to keep you fit going up all these stairs. My jacket might just be coming off very soon, because it's starting to heat up a wee bit. Scotland is not known for its warm weather, but we have had a few days where it was looking like it was summer again. Even my roses are coming out. The flowers, they think it's spring because we've had such a bad summer. Oh, there's the battlements. Oh, look at that. So right the way across there to Port Glasgow and Greenock. It's a wee bit windy up here, so I'm not going to put the camera on yet because I forgot the mics. They would cut the wind down. Well, up to now I'm very impressed. Here we go, down. If you're doing this, definitely you wouldn't be able to get, there's no wheelchair access or anything, so you wouldn't want to bring your wheelchair. And if you've got kids in a buggy, it wouldn't be that ideal either. What a few. Now, when you think back in the history, the days, how many soldiers have walked up along these battlements. This is the Spanish battery. They probably would have had more cannons than that up here. And they would have had guys with guns, I suppose. Because this is not an ancient castle. It's Dumbarton. That's absolutely amazing. Well, the wind is picking up. Wind is picking up tremendously because we're quite high up. My eyes are actually watering and I've got a bit of the sniffles now because the wind isn't that warm. It looks like there's a lot of seabirds down there. Gulls, I would expect, and maybe something else. And this is a wee bit of a tricky bit here. The footpath hasn't extended to because the rock comes right out onto it. This is the Bower Battery. I think this is as far as we can go on this wee trail. This is looking out southwest. There we go. Yeah, so you've got West Ferry, Renfrewshire, Cleaner Clyde, Langback, Crannog, Timber Ponds, Newark Castle, Sugar Boat and Argyll. It's scenes over the century. So there. This rock has witnessed many dramatic moments. Viking longboats raiding the ancient capital of Strathclyde, James IV's fleet mustering to confront the Lord of the Isles, 5-year-old Mary, Queen of Scots departing for France, and darkened ships preparing to cross the Atlantic during the World Wars. Oh, history is right here. Seabirds over there. Not being an what do they call them, ornithologist, that's an ornithologist. They just a word apologist me, because I don't know half the words. Because I'm just a wee thicko really when it comes to big words. But I was a good speller when I was at school. So that is the actual furthest we can go on this wee bit. So I'll have to come back and investigate the top a bit another time, so there will be another part to this video. So I'm going to walk around down. I'm not going to film all the way back because you've seen it coming in, but we'll see if there's anything else inside I can see. But there's a view we didn't see earlier. You can see it now. You can see the sun just peeping through the clouds up there. Peeping through. Still got that bit to walk in there. Okay, let's go back to the governor's house. And you can see it's private, but you can see a bit in there. And Yeah, I wouldn't want to jump down there. I know that. There's a wee bit about the Rock of Ages. So as well, what I've seen is absolutely astonishing. So there was a castle here, or some sort of settlement here in the 400s to 1000s. Also, a royal castle stood in the rock from the 1200s. So, and the Jacobites as the trained and ready. Let's see, I think they were government soldiers. Oh. There we go, that was Dumbarton Castle. I made a wee £5 donation, even though it was free entry today because most of it's shut. But I will be back, and I will definitely make sure the weather's not windy so that they open the top bit. The only reason it was shut today is because of the weather. So, let's go on to Dumbarton. Right, I'm in Dumbarton. Up by the railway station, Dumbarton Central, which is will take you to, I think, out into the Trossachs and into Glasgow, Glasgow and Glasgow Central. I'm heading up here because this is the council offices. It's a very interesting building. I really want to get a really good look at it. It's I don't know what style you would call that, but it's very interesting. So this is no unauthorised vehicles in here, but look at this there, it's amazing. I hope there's a wee bit of info on this so that we can actually learn a wee bit about the place. As you can see, it's impressive. I noticed it on the way in. I thought I'm going to come and see this. There you go below. That now. So right up there. See who he is. If there's anything there. Oh, Peter Denny. Peter Denny. Shipbuilder and engineer, born 1821 to 1895. Directed by friends and fellow businessmen and women of French. In 1902. Look at that. Got a wee blue plaque there, so let's give them a wee look at that. Part of the Dumbarton Heritage Trail. It was only built in 1903, it's a B-listed building. Date of protection. Still at an auditor. This is the date of protection, GDPR violations going on up there, as you can see. There's the auditors are on the jack. Come down here and have a look. Was the council offices there. It's a very impressive building. I didn't really want to video on the inside because I'm not here to audit the place or anything like that, but they were breaking the GDPR rules violation, which is a criminal offence. I did go in off camera and tell her, but I didn't want to make a report. I just wanted her to advise them on it. Maybe I should start auditing. Well, I'm not here to audit. I'm here to promote Scotland in a positive light. There we are. So I'm not going to waste too much time here in this bit. The reason for being, I'm going to cut the video short now. The reason for that is that my daughter's just phoned me and she's not very well, so I'm going to head back home and I'll take her down to the doctor's. She's got an appointment, so I will take her down. Oh, what a lovely wee dog. See, so let me see that wee dog. See the video? Oh, there you go. Beautiful, aren't you? You're gorgeous. Is that a French? Aye, that's a gorgeous wee dog. God, you're so gorgeous. Look at you. Huh? Oh, congratulations.
Oh, thanks.
That wonderful wee dog there. I love puppies. It's when they get bigger, I tend to, I still like them, but they get bigger and they need to walk out more. But maybe when they're small, I feel a lot looking after, a lot of cleaning up after. So maybe I should get a dog. Glad I got a camera. Right, thanks very much for watching the video. Please like the video if you watch it, share it, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and then you can get notified of any videos that I upload in the future. So you've been in Dumbarton with Our Scotland. Cheerio.